Hey guys, welcome back to Upstate Bow Hunter. Today I'm actually going to show you how I made and show you what I used for a cell phone mounted camera mount for your rifle. This is actually on my 22 cal pre-charged pneumatic Evanex AR6. It's actually pretty cheap. I mean, if you don't want to go the route and buy one, I decided to make one. Basically what I used, it goes over your eye relief on the end of your scope, which is a 2-inch PVC with plastic quarter 20 screws. Got all this stuff from Lowe's. You want plastic so you don't mar your end of your scope. Plastic's the way to go. You just even it out. I went quarter 20 plastic screws, 3 separate spots. I mean, you can obviously add more. The piece that attaches is 2.5 inches long, 2-inch PVC. Then we have a 2-inch coupler, which also goes to a 2-inch PVC with a 1/2-inch hole in the middle of it. Forgot what the actual name of that was, but I got all this from Lowe's. It was dirt cheap. The one thing you might not have, you might have to buy, you can probably hit up at Harbor Freight, or you can, if a buddy's got it, there's a quarter 20 tap and die. So you can tap and die and thread these in so you can screw them in and screw them out. The only thing with this is when you put this on here, these three sets of screws, a quarter 20, there's 6 of them, you can adjust your screen. So if it's a little down, a little up, you just put more pressure or less pressure on certain sides. I used an old cell phone of mine. Actually, I ordered a case, and it came with a hard case, which made it nice so I can pop the phone off if I want to take any of the images or videos off of it. It's actually pretty easy. I'll show you. So right here, just unsnap it. Comes right out. Take your phone out if you want to use it. If you want to use an extra phone, this one's actually got a broken screen, so that's why I'm using it, but it's still usable. You can even use your own phone if you got to just order a plastic case and go the same route. But I'll show you here. I'll take this off. It's really easy. You come in here and you just loosen these up just by hand. A couple screws, a couple twists here. Slides right off. And no damage to your scope whatsoever. But this is what I've got, and I'll put the scope down so you got the camera down so you guys can kind of see what I got going on. So right here, you can see inside, there's the camera screen. So if I pop out the scope, the cell phone, it's kind of a pain in the ass to get on here without breaking it. I obviously didn't bring my man hands today. There we go. See, take off the cell phone. Here's the plastic case. I got 3 1/8-inch aluminum rivets. I actually drilled through the case to match up with the cell phone camera. It goes pretty well. That way you can use the case. It makes it hold pretty sturdy. Everything's plastic. And also, so you can look through here, you can take this off. Got a 2-inch piece of PVC. I painted it black. Got your quarter 20 screws here. Another 2-inch drilled through here. I mean, literally, it's probably a 15 or 20 minute job tops. But yeah, you can see I got my rivets. I drilled some other holes, figuring that's where I wanted it. But inside, there's a couple pieces inside this end piece that those rivets got in the way, so I just moved them around. 3 rivets. I actually was more than enough to hold it pretty steady. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Like I said, you got 6 quarter 20 plastic screws, tapped and died, evened out. I kind of eyeballed these. I didn't feel like measuring them. Still works great. 2-inch coupler, 2-inch end. It's like a clean out or whatever. Has a threaded 1/2-inch inside. Didn't do anything with that. The hole was already there. Just measured out everything, make sure everything was centered for your camera. That's vital. You want to make sure your camera lens is dead middle of this. So however you figure that out. But yeah, it works perfect. So I had some shooting videos, got sparrows, some red squirrels, some squirrels, and some target shots here. Show you guys how it looks and how it performs. Thanks for watching. Pellets, the JSB redesigns. As you can see, these are all the grain weights as far as inconsistencies that I found through two tins, so 400 pellets. I had some weighing it at 25.82, which was 1. So it's pretty heavy. All the way down to 24.94. Just a few in the range. These 3 slots in the range of the 25.39.